Hi everybody. Hello friends. Of course, Alex, the boy, get from me also postcard, a wishing card, and card is in that box. And when I open, the card have many, not many, two cats. One looking through the window, one is sleeping. Also I add that bird. I use every rest I have from that collection. So fussy cut that bunch of flowers and fruits, and when I open, here I will write something for Alex, and I fussy cut that basket and also that plates for cakes, and everything can stay like that. So I hope it's a little inspiration, and see you on next video. Thank you to visit my channel. Bye bye guys.